Petersburg Police Department has issued a law enforcement warning. Police are looking for a 7-year-old male named Sam Gilman, wearing a red cap, red pants, red shoes. He was reported to be missing at his mother's house at 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Suspect is not identified. Contact 727-893-7780 if you have more information.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the St. Petersburg Emergency Management Agency. At around 2:31 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, reports of 3 Krakens emerging from the Florida coast have been seen. It's highly unknown if they are hostile or not. The police department will try to get more information about these creatures. These creatures represent a universal move called Ruby Gilman, teenage Kraken. Residents are advised to stay away from the Florida coast immediately. Stay tuned for more information that becomes available.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, in conjunction with the Florida Coast Guards. At approximately 5:32 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a 10,000 feet tsunami has been detected by the Pacific Tsunami Warning Center at Miami, Florida. A tsunami warning means that a tsunami is imminent, and coastal locations in the warned area should prepare for flooding. Dangerous aftershocks of 7.0 or higher are expected in the next few days. And it has been confirmed that the Krakens, known as Ruby Gilman, has entered the coast of Florida and is causing major damage to the Florida coast. Residents are advised to go to higher ground immediately. It is too late to evacuate. I repeat, it is too late to evacuate. Stay tuned for further information about this life-threatening situation.
Good Friday to you, Los Angeles. I'm Terry Smith at the Weather Channel and looking at a rather cool weather pattern and yet another storm heading our way. So get ready for some changes. Enjoy the sunshine today. Temperatures are running a touch on the chilly side, anywhere from 50 to 60 degrees this afternoon.
San Diego County coastal areas.
January 23rd, Oceanside, 7:05 a.m. On January 23rd, La Jolla, 7:05 a.m. On January 23rd, tsunamis often arrive as a series of waves or surges which could be dangerous for many hours after the first wave arrival. The first tsunami wave or surge may not be the highest in the series. Preliminary earthquake information. An earthquake occurred at 1:32 a.m. on January 23rd, 2018, with a preliminary magnitude of 8.07, 175 miles southeast of Kodiak City, Alaska, at a depth of 12 miles. This product will be updated as new information becomes available. Stay tuned to your local news source and know Weather Radio for further information and updates. These are the
We interrupted normal programming. This is a national emergency. Important instructions will follow.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station or cable system has interrupted normal programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air providing news and information to the public and assigned areas. This is Comcast, and we will continue to serve the St. Petersburg, Florida area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune to stations providing news and information for your local area. Do not use the telephone lines, as they will be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 1:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, 3 large Krakens have been emerging from the Florida coast and has been seen in all coasts of the United States. These Krakens are believed to resemble a movie from Universal called Ruby Gillman, Teenage Kraken, and they have been seen causing major damage to the coasts of the United States. All residents are advised to seek shelter on an interior room with no windows. A tsunami warning is still in effect for the entire coast of California and Florida. Grab essential supplies, such as food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio. Do not leave your shelter until the situation is over. Anyone, which is the most of the United States, are advised to seek an underground shelter. Do so now. If you refuse to do so, you are putting your life in extreme danger. When a tsunami hits the coasts, it will cause major damage alongside with any tall skyscrapers will be collapsed and fatalities will be reported. Stay tuned for more information about this dangerous and life-threatening situation.